Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Telegram verification code and SMS free problem. See the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps and search for Telegram and click on the Telegram. Scroll down. Now click on the force stops. Okay. Now click on the storage and clear cache or clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. And now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, and location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store, search for Telegram and now click on the Telegram and check update your Telegram app. My Telegram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, go back and open your Telegram app and now log in your Telegram app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.